Hi, I'm going to be teaching you about the production of light, and I understand that I am a watermelon, but please do not let that distract you from what is important in this video. So let's get started. Light is by definition a natural agent that stimulates sight and makes things visible. On request of the layman, light is electromagnetic radiation. Before we get started, let's talk about the direction and form of light. Light is just a string of waves and it travels in a straight linear path. Much like a laser or flashlight, the light is always in a straight path. Even a light bulb shines light in a straight path. It just spreads very fast. Speaking of speed, light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. Beat that, Usain Bolt. The speed of light is unmatched and nothing moves faster than light. Anything with mass cannot travel at the speed of light. Where is such a force produced? Well, light can be made by many objects, and these objects are classified under luminous, and in contrast, objects that reflect light are classified under non-luminous. This is an important separation between the two properties because what we perceive is a direct reflection of the light that matter sends. Let's discuss the reaction of light in contact with other surfaces. Some surfaces absorb light and do not let any light pass it. That property is called opacity. Like a brick wall, the light will be absorbed by the wall, and in return, the object forges a shadow. Think of it as you being a big monster demon, and then Gandalf tells you that you shall now pass, and all that's left is the nothingness you couldn't accomplish. That is what a brick wall is to sunlight. Some surfaces let light through completely, which in a sense leave the objects behind them completely naked and easy to perceive. This property is called transparency. For example, glass, plastic, and water are all transparent. These unique surfaces allow the objects behind them to be seen without tension. So close the curtains on your windows because nobody wants to see you argue with your mother-in-law. Often, a surface can let light through, but only to a certain extent. So light travels through the surface and forms an image, although the image is not detailed. It is cloudy or undetailed. This is called translucency, or semi-transparent. It allows some light to pass through, but not completely. Let's focus on form rather than function. Light is innately white, which contains every color on the spectrum, and when the sun sends light to us, the Earth's atmosphere makes it so that the sun is orange or red. For redirection purposes, light can be blocked by filters to reflect only one color. Here is a crash course on reflection on color. A red book is shined upon by white light, but then it reflects red light only. In a similar sense, a white hat would reflect all colors. A purple shirt will reflect purple light, and since purple is made of red and blue, it will also reflect red and blue. Those were the properties of light, and I hope this allows you to gain some insight into our ocular universe.